Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna see a cute Pinteresty hairstyle video. This is one of my favorite YouTube video which I have uploaded since my start of the YouTube channel. In this tab I have saved all my Pinteresty hairstyle pins in that app. So these are purely based on inspirations. First one is gonna be this one. Like they're using bow, which is very much Pinteresty and complicated. And I have some bow satin ribbons, which I'm gonna be turning it into a bow. And they have taken a middle partition and left some tiny hairs in the front. And then they have taken a section of hair. Now I'm gonna add these bows. And I love the bow look happening here. It's so pretty. Moving on to the third hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyle and it's so easy peasy and it needs a beautiful accessories. The main highlight of the hairstyle, and it's gonna be again the bows and done with the twisted hair sections. And let's try our bow. This is my favorite bow, so I'll try this first. And moving on to the fourth hairstyle. And moving on to the final hairstyle. Finally, it's so frustrating to shoot these hairstyle videos, but I love making these cute hairstyles for me to try and practice and to show you all. And I have found the cutest claw clip video. I'm gonna try that. Just now I got a notification that my storage is full, and I was so shocked and I deleted most of the ones. So this is the claw clip I have. This is the only claw clip which is drawn, and I like it. It's so cute. I have done the final hairstyle, and unfortunately I didn't use this claw clip because it's way too short for my hair with that bulky rubber band. And finally ending the video, and the lighting is off and the day is going to end, and the video is also going to end. I think I successfully finished trying out all the Pinteresty hairstyles, and I hope you all like it. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry. And I really liked this session of trying out all these cute hairstyles, but my head didn't like it, trust me. It's so paining, but I really loved making this video. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.